Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business. We've designed this TV show to educate you in simple to understand plain English ways for complex legal terms, to help you understand why you undertake certain legal aspects of your business, and to help you develop a plan for the future success of your business. Did you know that any business owner is on average 7 months away from losing everything? And that is the average time that it takes for a successful business to fold when an aspect of their business is not set up correctly. Have you ever wanted to get legal advice but didn't understand what was going on? And do you feel like there's a divide between lawyers and their clients? If that's so, then this TV show is for you. We've designed the show to empower you and your business with the knowledge and tools to help ensure that those problems that so many businesses encounter don't happen to you. Business Legal Lifecycle TV delivers a twice-weekly show focusing on the legal aspects of your business. At lunchtime on Mondays, we present Fast Fix Monday, a quick 5 to 10 minute show to give you some actionable steps to consider for this week in your business. And at lunchtime on Wednesdays, we present our in-depth show. It's generally between 30 minutes to an hour to go through the complicated legal aspects of your business in a simple to understand and plain English way. That can be through educational pieces or interviews with experts in the fields. We welcome you to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, and here's our show.
Hi everyone, Jeremy Stratton here, and welcome to Fast Fix Monday. Today we wanted to talk a little bit more about what our live show was on Wednesday. So if anyone who was watching that show would know show 13, and that was about asset protection strategies for intellectual property. What we've found is that that's probably a little bit confusing because we haven't actually dealt with the what the separate entity issue is and why that's important. So I just wanted to just quickly give you an example of a company structure that could use the asset protection strategy for intellectual property. So let's assume we've got a company, let's call it Fred's Widgets. And Fred's Widgets is a company that trades businesses selling Fred's Widgets. That could be anything, widgets can be anything. And Fred has some intellectual property that he's developed within that widget business that includes probably, let's say a $300,000 or $400,000 patent. That patent is very valuable, but the problem with having the business and the intellectual property in the same entity, Fred's Widgets, is that if Fred's Widgets proprietary limited gets sued or attacked for any reason, Fred could lose his intellectual property, and that could be a disaster for him and his business. So what we recommend is Fred's Widgets would set up a holding company called Fred's Holdings, we'll call it that, and that would actually own the intellectual property. So that intellectual property would transfer over to the trading company by way of a license agreement. That license agreement would then allow for royalties to be paid back towards the asset holding entity, and that would allow for the easy distribution of the profits between their asset holding company and Fred's Widgets and Fred's Holdings. So you can see that using these kind of strategies can be quite advantageous. Now, coming out of today, what I'd like you to do is to actually go and do some investigations into your business. It's not good enough for a business owner to say that, oh, well, I've got advice from my accountant or my lawyer and they know what to do, so I'm not going to bother going and getting any advice. You, as the business owner, are responsible to make sure that what you're getting done and how your business is set up and you understand everything. So what I want you to do is go and get some advice. Go and get some advice as to whether or not you need a separate holding entity for your intellectual property. If you don't, that's great. Go and speak to your lawyer. You can contact myself or Craig Mason through our Facebook page, but go and find out whether or not you need that advice and whether you need a separate legal entity. Because if you do, then it's a good idea to go and get it and set it up properly. So look, that's it from Fast Fix Monday from me, Jeremy Stratton. Craig Mason wasn't able to join us today. On Wednesday, we're looking forward to our first live interview with an expert in systems and selling businesses. And we're going to talk about the importance of having an end in mind for your business and the importance of having things set up properly so that if you want to sell the business that you can in the future, and why you need to do that. So please join us on Wednesday for the next episode of Business Legal Lifecycle TV. My name is Jeremy Shredden, and I look forward to seeing you then.